Hello and welcome to everybody in Chapter 3 Introduction to Microsoft Word 2016. Dear children, we are going to discuss in this chapter how to use the Microsoft Word, understand what is the purpose of word processor. We should identify the Microsoft Word windows. We will be creating, saving and closing the file. We try to open the file which we have saved and do some editing in the file. So let's start the chapter. When you want to type a letter to your friend, parents, uncles, cousins, then you need a program which can help you to do so. This kind of programs are called word processor. Word processor is an application software. So what it does, it helps us to type a text in the computer. So there are different types of word processors are available in the market, like CorelDRAW, WordPad, MS Word, PageMaker, etc. So we are going to discuss about MS Word in the most, which is the most popular word processor. MS Word 2016 is actually a part of a package. The name of the package is MS Office 2016. With this software, we can type, edit, format, and print the text documents. So let's start Microsoft Word 2016. How to start Microsoft Word 2016? In a computer, there is a search button present on the taskbar. So what you have to do, you have to take your cursor over there and type MS Word 2016, or you can click on the start button. After that, you can select your Microsoft Word from the menu and click over there to start the Microsoft Word. As soon as you start your Microsoft Word, here in this particular screen, you can see that I have clicked on the start button. I have got the menu. In the menu, Microsoft Word 2016 is available, where I have clicked and then I have started Microsoft Word. When I started the Microsoft Word, I have got a blank document in front of me. In this blank document, where I tried to type the information, there one white blinking lights available, that is called the cursor. Then if you look at the screen, at the top it is written Microsoft Word document file. Now if you just see this particular place where I have underlined, I believe you can see that is the name of the file and that is the name of the software. Where exactly it is written, that is called title bar. It displays the name of the document. By default, the name of the document is document 1. You can see it is over there. Title bar has 3 buttons at its far right. What exactly they call? They are minimize, maximize and close button. You can see here these are called minimize, then this is called maximize and this is called close button. watch carefully, you will find that one option menu is available. This is called quick access toolbar. In generally, do, redo, save, etc. button which are used more often, they are available. You can add more button to it. If you watch carefully, the whole area of from here to here, you watch carefully. I am digging, drawing this particular line for you to indicate what are these. These are tabs, groups, and options. These whole thing together, which I am making that red line and blocking, they are called the ribbon. Whatever you can see within this, they are called ribbons. Now, here in this particular page, it is explained. At the bottom, you can see there is a page number and all. They are called status bar. In generally, we have a various type of fonts available in our Microsoft Word, and if I want to use them, I have to go to the functions. You can see this is the font functions. I am underlining that particular part. This is called font functions. From here, I can select any type of fonts, and these fonts are having specific size. By default, it is 11. You can see over here where I have marked. That is called the font size. If you want to make your letter little fat, you can see here it is bold. The use of bold is written over here. I believe you can see, make the text little bold. Next, if I want to make it italics, little slanting, then I can click over here and make it little slanting. If you want to give the underline, you have to click over here in the U and you will find your text got underlined. If you want to align text, you can align the text in the four different ways. You can see, you can align the text left. Your whole content will be adjusted according to the left margin. You can adjust the text to the center. You can adjust the text to the right according to the margin. And of course, you can stretch the text towards the left and right margin all together. So that's called justify. Now, if we look at the next point, we will be understanding that what exactly it is. You can see here how we have discussed this. I have already discussed the document area, that large white area you have seen where you are using typing text and all. That is called document area. We have talked about cursor and status bar. Now let us know how to create a new document. First you have to go to the file tab, and over there when you will click, you will find lots of options. Among the options you will click on new, and then you click on the blank document to create your document. Here you can see I have clicked the file. After that I have clicked the new, and there is a blank document. When you click on the new, there are other options are also available. As they are not in the syllabus, we'll not discuss about them. We'll click on the blank document. So when we click on the document, we get this screen. I think we have already discussed about this. The document area, the white area where we type, that's called document area, and that black blinking line which is available over there, and when you type where the letters appears, that part is called the cursor. After typing letter, what you want to keep it for the future use, and if you want to keep it for the future use, you have to save the document. To save the document, you have to click on the file, then you have to click on the save as, and then you have to click on browse. Why you will browse? Because you have to find out the location where you want to store your document. That part is possible with the help of browse. And after saving, if you want to close the file, again you have to click on the file tab, then you have to click on the close button to close the file. Here I have shown you how you can save. First you will click on the file tab, then click on the save as. First time when you have to save, you have to click it on the save as options, and as soon as you click on the save as, you have got a browse option, and then you can give the name of the document. Here the document name is doc2. I have saved the previous document in the name of Budhuram. So all Budhurams can open that Budhuram. Next time, how to open this one? What I want to open, just now I told you I want to open the Budhuram. How to open the Budhuram? First you have to click on the file tab, then you have to click on the open, and then you have to again got the browse option, and then from there when you click on the browse, it will show you the locations where you have the files, and here my files from the documents directory I have chosen. You can see here I have chosen the document directory over here, and in this document directory, from that document directory I'm going to open a file. So if I want to open the file name Budhuram, I'll click on the Budhuram, and then what I will do, I will click on the open button, and when I click on the open button, I'll get my Budhuram open in front of me. Inside the Budhuram document, I may type anything. Anyway, here I have opened the document 2. In this document 2, what we want to do, we want to add a line. How, and then go to the next line. This is a doctext document. Let's go to the next line pressing enter key. So after typing the line, if you press enter key, it will go to the next line. If you just want to remove some part of your document or a part of the text, what you can do, you just can select the document. Here you can see, I have dragged, and that portion on top of the text, and that portion is selected. The text is selected. Now what I have to do, I have to press the delete key. As soon as I press the delete key, it will remove the text. That's all for this particular chapter, and what we have learned in this chapter. Let's see. We have learned a word processor is an application software with which we can type text documents in computer. MS Word 2016 is a word processor. MS Word 2016 window contain components like title bar, quick access toolbar, status bar, ribbon, etc. What we can do in the Microsoft Word, we can type text in the document area of MS Word 2016. We can create and save text document using MS Word 2016. MS Word 2016 documents can be reopened and edited. Remaining question parts I will discuss in the following video. Thank